Kasorka jala kala lum daga jialang hakano pai singi jong ka khat atrik uyayong arjar pulai ban ya ther sani halor ka jing Pynkhreh ban pediang pynlong yak jialang yak kendu lang ki airport li kiri ka perthai katah ka khat nyo bat khat pratrik bantau benai halor ka space 20 program. Haba kran sikilat pathai kubor ba Preston tensong usembut menteri rangba ka jala ubadai kmi ya katanat kampo yeng ka jala ulong ba ka jialang kalong ban ya ther bat borok kitanat hakawede bat kani ka jing Pynkhreh. Kani kejing alang baarsi kebanyatai halor ke space partnership kan no senyang dak yok ka kot jongkari India bat bun ngot ki start sayan ki ban wan ban yeshe menta ha kani kejing alang hanong ba Shillong. Kani program kani kejing beteng yak space economy leaders meeting ban penlong dak national space agencies jong ki airport li ki ri.
We have a review meeting, I should say maybe the last review meeting, relating to the preparation of welcoming the G20, which is to be held on the 17th of this month and 18th, these 2 days. So we already have a meeting with all the concerned departments, and I'm happy to tell you that we are more or less ready for welcoming the G20 meeting, which is scheduled to be held in Meghalaya, in Shillong, on the 15th and 17th of this month. Well, I don't think I'll be able to tell you exactly because see, be it for the beautification, repairing of infrastructure, and then be it security, be it transportation. So everything we discuss, all the details, and as I said to you, we are ready now to welcome, and we are ready now to to see that the G20 is held in Shillong successfully. More or less, see this G20, you please go to the website, you will know all the countries, the G20, and then more or less, not less than around 120 delegates will be here in Shillong. Accommodation is done at Marriott Courtyard, in Marriott Courtyard, and even the meeting will be held there. Yeah, this is also one of the area where we discussed today. So instruction has been given to the concerned department and then to the police personnel and to the SP traffic to work out all the details, and instruction has been given very, very clearly from which road this delegate VVIP will come in and which road should they again go back. So all these details I cannot tell you right now, but of course all these areas has been discussed in detail with different department, with the senior officers. All the concerned, as I said, the concerned department, we have already instructed them, and then now the work is ongoing, and we will be able to complete it on or before 15th of this month. The law and order is ongoing. Not necessarily being in the current law and order. Then we would like to assure that the law and order is okay, the situation is good, and those delegates, VVIPs, I should say VVIPs, who are reaching Shillong, they'll be happy, and not only that, it will be also a pride for the whole state of Meghalaya. Recruitment, now the personal interview will be held very soon, I think within maybe 3-4 days. So I don't know all the details, the calendars, but it's already done. It's already done.